Find or read reviews that people are talking about Zpana OBD2 Splitter. Why you should choose. Next, we are introduce some reasons why you should choose that. High-grade material. This car OBD2 Splitter is made of PVC material. This material has the characteristic of fracture resistance and is not prone to cracking or damage in various situations of daily use. At the same time, it has the characteristics of durability and is not easily deformed due to frequent plugging and unplugging. The tough texture of the shell can provide protection for the internal structure and cope with common minor collisions or squeezes in daily use. Broad compatibility. This car OBD2 Splitter is equipped with 2 female OBD2 sockets, compatible with most vehicles equipped with OBD2 interfaces. Whether it's a family sedan or a multi-purpose vehicle, it can be smoothly integrated, easily addressing interface expansion needs and providing stable support for simultaneous use of multiple devices. Please confirm the vehicle interface model before ordering to avoid unnecessary issues. Simple setup. This car OBD2 Splitter is easy to install and features a plug-and-play design. First, locate the OBD2 interface position under the vehicle's dashboard. Then align the splitter's plug with the interface and gently insert it until it is fully seated. Afterward, you can use different vehicle computer diagnostic scanners to diagnose the vehicle. The entire process requires no specialized tools and can be easily completed by beginners. Functional use. This OBD2 Splitter features a 16-pin design, enabling simultaneous connection of 2 OBD2 devices to expand the functionality of a single interface. The 16-pin interface ensures stable connectivity between devices and the vehicle system, with smooth and efficient data transmission. Whether connecting a diagnostic scanner or a dash cam, both can be connected simultaneously via the 2 female OBD2 ports, sparing the need for frequent device swapping and meeting diverse requirements. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.